Alright, so here we are at from exam number 1, problem number 8, and it is what is the limit as delta of x goes to 0 of sine of x of pi over 3 plus delta of x minus the sine of pi over 3 odd over delta of x. So with the delta of x, we usually see that as h goes to 0, x goes to 0, y goes to 0. It's the same thing. They can use anything. I've seen problems where they use smiley faces, hearts, anything. So, and to do this problem, we will be using L'Hopital's rule, which is just the derivative of the top over the derivative of the bottom. So let's begin with the derivative of the top. The sine of pi over 3 plus the delta of x is basically chain rule. So the outside would be cosine of pi over 3 plus delta of x times 1, because when you take the derivative of the inside in respect to delta of x, you just end up with 1, minus, we have the derivative of sine of pi over 3, which is cosine of pi over 3. Times 0 because it's another chain rule, because technically this is saying plus 0 delta of x. So then we take the derivative of that and you just end up with 0. So, and then this is going to be all over derivative of the bottom, which is just 1. And this is still as limit delta of x goes to 0. So now we can just do a little simplifying. So limit delta of x goes to 0. Simplify the top, you just end up with cosine of pi over 3 plus delta of x. And it's just going to be this because this just equals 0, so subtracting 0 is not going to do much, and it's just over 1. So now that we have our limit as delta of x approaches 0, and we can just plug it in because there's no way that it's going to basically be wrong, because originally we couldn't plug it in, and if we did, it was undefined. So to plug it in, so we end up with cosine pi over 3 plus 0 just equals the cosine of pi over 3, and the cosine of pi over 3, which if you think back to our unit circle from pre-calc, is just equal to 1/2. So that's the answer for that. And then shout out to Ms. Perez for the wonderful words she has to say for the quotes of the day.